Guys, just wanted to show you this little trailer I'm working on here. It's a small utility trailer that we use to tow around these greens rollers. These roll the putting greens. So this hooks up to a utility truck and gets dragged out there, and they flip this ramp down and roll off of it, roll the green, roll back on, and move to the next one. So this one, the other day, one of the wheels fell off, and it actually was the bearing assembly, the end nut, and the keeper washer slash crown cap disintegrated, and the wheel fell off, so this thing broke, and so they asked me to repair it. So I got it in the shop here. That was the bad side. This here is the other side, and as you can see, it's not far from coming off itself. So these problems are popping up because there's way too much here to repair in any particular order. This is the hub that came off. You can see the bearings and the races I'm going to replace. We picked up a couple of rebuild kits for this unit. They're about $50, so pretty reasonable. It comes with new bearings, new races, new cap, new seal, basically everything inside. I'm going to replace all that this morning, and this thing will be back together. A little preventative maintenance would have probably kept this from happening, but there's so many things here that have lacked preventative maintenance since before I started, about 10 months ago. 9 months ago. There's no possible way I can get to all these things before stuff like this starts to happen. I've got a list 8 miles long of jobs. Anyways, thought I'd show you that. Thanks for watching.